Hey. All right. Repeat after me. My supreme being gives me the power to accomplish all that I desire. My unlimited abundance is now made manifest. All right, now we talked about being limitless in our class today. So that's key. Just knowing that everything that you desire is already yours. It might be on its way to you, but it's already yours. You know, somewhere in the multiverse, there's a version of you that have that which you already desire, and it's coming for you as well. If it is your desire, you can get it. All right. And in our community, I'm teaching you how to tap into the wholeness of you within this multiverse. So anyway, I'll just close that one right there. Ashe. Thank you for watching. Before we close, I want to invite you to join us in exploring the female divinity system using the African Goddess Initiation Manual by Abiola Abrams. We're looking for women who desire to awaken their goddess energies so that they can learn how to love themselves the most, so they can spread their magic all over the planet, so they can manifest the prosperity that is theirs by divine right, and so that they can move on this journey of theirs with ease and on purpose. The goddesses must be awakened. So if you're ready to elevate your life and you want to be a part of this mission, look in the description box or in the profile section and find the link to our sister circle and meet us on the other side.